Hello, in this chart you see Bitcoin price in this white line, and in the orange line you see the sum of market cap of USDT and USDC. So it is our view that this relation is mandatory for the prices of Bitcoin to rise. We'll show you now in logarithmic scale both of them. And then it gets somehow visually clear that whenever there was an expansion in the base of those stable coins, the prices rose. And whenever its rate of expansion fell near to horizontal, meaning no expansion or very few, the prices struggled. And when it went flat, the prices eventually fell. And now what you're experiencing right now is a contraction. Why? Because we started redemption. So this is an abnormal event. Now here previously, as we see in last September, October last year, we had a variation in this market cap with some disturbance in prices. But now this is happening because of a confidence or lack of it, better saying. And we believe that this lack of confidence that manifested by UST collapse, and it's contagious to Tether, because it's well known that they are not fully backed, so their peg is at risk. This cripples the ability of those stablecoin based expansion right now, contrary to what will be this common sense. USDC is expanding from 48 to $51 billion, whereas Tether is shrinking from 83 to 76. It's a greater shrinking, and the difference between these two, the net difference, is a shrink of about 2 to 4 billion dollars. And it is our belief that given the circumstances of redemptions requests that are forcing the market cap of Tether to shrink additionally, the lack of confidence will prevent USDC to expand further to absorb this difference. Thus, the net value will be negative for this base, and it will keep shrinking. And thus, we believe that the prices will not handle at current levels, and the virtual support that exists at 29K shall not resist, and prices shall fall. This is our overall view. As we can see here in the weekly chart, which might be well known to traders, we see a strong support in weekly chart given by these candles with strong volume here in March 20, that this is the end of the move where we're heading to. Why this is happening? Well, we have a cycle of credit that is now at its contraction in the Wall Street. So this is reflecting on cryptos because many of those purchases have been done through borrowed money. And the shrinking of credit there by QT from Federal Reserve will prevent more money to come in cryptos. Thus, the expansion of stable coins is deemed to be stopped, and its shrinking is the next stage. Thus, the prices of Bitcoin shall fall alongside, according to this idea that presumes that the expansion of the basis of stablecoin was what allowed the prices to expand as well. Thank you very much. Best for all. Bye.